Order filled.
All right, filled right here on this buy line. Welcome, scalpers. Looking at 1 minute NQ, we are pre-market, early pre-market. I'm on the West Coast. Stick around to the end, see if I make my goal of $1,000. And with a little practice, anyone can do this. It's not rocket science. All right, it's 1 minute. I'm gonna tighten up quickly on each trade here. Try to make my $1,000 here as quickly as I can and be done for the day.
Stop filled.
All right, 177 bucks, first trade of the day. First signal here for me that I took. If you like this kind of thing, like, subscribe, shoot me a text message, join our group. Do this every day. Ultimate AI Pro is the indicator. It's available for NinjaTrader and Ultimate AI Plus for TradingView. Plus I have a bunch of other cool indicators and systems as well. Most everything a winner here today, this morning, but this is really early. I'm sleeping at this time. Let's wait for another signal. In an up move this morning so far.
Order submitted.
Could have a bounce off the ultimate zone here. Do have an alert to go short if we break through here.
Order filled.
Make it a risk-free trade. Expect resistance at the lines.
Stop filled.
All right. Up to 60 on this trade, See what else we can find. We might get a breakout here, but we have resistance here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Or up 350. Took a breakout of the signal candle. What else? Nice down move. Stop was too tight. If your stop isn't tight, you could catch the whole move. My stop was tight here. I didn't catch this whole move. But you have to be okay with that. It's a possible
Order
signal right
filled.
here. Again, going back into the resistance there. Is risky going into the blue line, so I'm going to lock in another couple ticks. Yeah, I don't
Stop
like it.
filled.
Maybe I'll take the breakout if it goes up higher, take the breakout of the signal candle itself. Right now it could face resistance here and here.
Order submitted.
Here would be a better place to get in. I'm not
Order
liking it.
canceled.
I'm going to bail out of this. I don't like the way this is looking here. Little quick scalp here. Look how it dropped after it hit the resistance. All right, still up 366. Let's see what else we can find here. You'll see me take trades right up into the blue line, but this is why I don't like to do that for trades like this. Yeah, if you're quick, you can make money, but it's difficult. We got some bouncing here on the ultimate zone. Let's see if price wants to come back up.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, getting in late and right into the blue line there. That was an impulsive move. And now look at it. Now I got to sweat this out a little bit. I had a big move down. Here would be the entry right here, and I got it right at the line here. Is what I don't like to do. That's bad on my part. And I realized the recording was off, and we missed two trades, a nice up arrow and a slingshot. Alright, this is starting to get me nervous because it's getting held up at the support by these lines right here. Need it to break through.
Stop filled.
Alright, I'm out of that trade. Up 685. I don't know if the camera was going when I had the slingshot trade right here. That's in the ultimate course. The slingshot trade I took right here. I think the camera was off. The recording might have been off, but that's a silver strategy, or it's an ultimate strategy now. Change the name of the course. That's a price action trade that I've been doing my whole life. Alright, we took this signal here. We got in way late. That's why I stopped out quickly. I got filled. It bounced way back up before it came back down. It's still going down. And I'd probably be done for the day had I stayed in this trade. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of thing. Alright, we're approaching this ultimate zone again where we bounced off of earlier. Let's see how price reacts to it now, if it's going to bounce off again or if it's going to come down through it. Have an alert with a buy line here. Same situation. Everything's hugging the EMA here, which is it's not ideal.
Order filled.
Don't like it.
Stop filled.
Getting out. A couple of
Stop
my
filled.
contracts filled and one didn't. So this is what happens when you go into the blue line. Sometimes it just does not work. Anyways, I'm at 623 still. Did see a little loser there. If it comes up and breaks through here, I'll get back in again. Difficult to trade on this line. Remember how this one hit the line, bounced way back up? Small green.
Order filled.
Alright, here we go. Let's go. We'll be done for the day.
Stop filled.
Alright, up 771 now. Getting close to my goal for the day. Seen everything I've taken so far. And I'm not sure the camera was rolling for this slingshot right here. Possible sell right here or buy right here. Probably going to be the sell, which is going to be the good one to take. Let's see. When in doubt, go with the trend.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Alright, not much on that because I chickened out. You'll notice I take a lot of little scalps until one finally runs, and that's perfectly okay because it minimizes your losses. Getting eaten up with commissions here. Almost done for the day on the gross side, but the commissions, part of the game. Right, here we are at the ultimate zone. Let's see how price reacts. It's been bouncing off of it. Again, right at the line, I can't seem to get away from it. But you'll notice these tops lining up on a perfect diagonal right here. If you learn anything from the ultimate course, you'll know about that. Beautiful trend line there. Look at that. Lining up beautifully.
Order filled.
What I tell you, it's in the course if you want to learn about it. And I'll tighten up here because I want to meet my goal for the day and be done.
Stop filled.
There you go, $1,000. You've seen everything I've taken, I think. I'm not sure if this one was on. There you go. Join us. Like, subscribe, join the group, do a trial. Shoot me a text message, tell me what you think. I mean, I really can't fake any of this.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
And one last one for good measure because I saw this beautiful move right here. All right, that's it for me.